Hello, welcome back to maybe final episode of a brief talk. I know I have been away for too long, like between the news and this video, but I was working on some simple but really tricky concepts. So it took me a longer time than I expected. And final episode for this reason because I'm thinking of putting out content in some different form, some different manner. Maybe I'll make videos on some other topics as well. So I don't know whether this will be the end of the a brief talk or the end of kind of you know the first season of a brief talk. So I don't know, but this will be the last video of as of now, and this will be made in two parts. So the part one I'm going to describe right now. So here it goes. I know many of you are watching news, and some of you have watched my opinion, my views about news. Yeah. So I don't know how the news still go on, but because I don't watch news anymore, because they don't provide any information, any new information just yet. Same repetitive information, same repetitive incidences, same debates, same politicians, same speeches using teleprompter. Like, what's the use? I don't find any talent in that. They don't even create some new things anymore. So yeah, and who needs the news channels anymore? Because we have one great news bureau of all time. You know, WhatsApp. You get any kind of news, every kind of news on WhatsApp just right away. So get your news, pick your superstition, sit back, enjoy, relax, enjoy your vacations. Yeah. Well, but it seems that some of us have like really moved on from watching this daily news because would it, who needs this news anymore? We know what's going to happen, we know what is happening because we there are many other reliable resources to obtain information anyway. So yeah, we don't need it, so we must move on from it. Proceeding to the next point, still see, not this is not about the news or incidences. This I call up my friends, I talk to them on a daily basis, and I still get to hear these things that some people are interested in other people's business. I don't know why do you really need to see inside others business? Maybe because you have a nose to poke in, or maybe because they let you. I don't know, both reasons might be working at the same time, but I think, come on, we all should grow up and not interfere in anybody else's business. And as I mentioned in my first video, our new world, people have really started working on many different levels, many different things all at once. So yeah, so the kind of interference, this has reduced over the time. So yeah, this is a gift from pandemic, as I said mentioned in my first video. So like, enjoy this gift. The next point is, I still see that people are filling baskets and baskets of resources, food items, stationery, clothing, whatever is open, they just like stuffing inside their baskets. Like, they're filling as much as they can to the maximum capacity of the basket, and they're bringing it home, and they're just keeping those items. They're not even utilizing things. They are just, you know just because some resources are deemed as essential, like medicines, foods, and maybe right now, due to the lockdown, is like kind of lightened up situation. So some more resources are open for people. They are just exploiting it. I don't see many people, rather I see a very few people are really taking resources and utilizing them, because just because people are hoarding resources like these foods, medicines, stationery, many people who really need those resources to like write anything, to eat, to you know improve the health, are being deprived of it. So people should note that. This might sound offensive for many people because they might not just agree with my approach, but that's how it is, that's how it works. Just because you fill your basket, someone else's basket is completely empty and they are really deprived of those resources. So better watch that. This should not happen. And then one more thing, I heard an example. I don't know if you have heard it or not. Like, a person bought 10 liters of milk just to hoard it, and after 2 or 3 days threw 6 liters of them. Why? Because it got nasty. Of course it gets nasty because food is a food items are perishable items. So, and this is not one example. you know s- at some point of the time, like somewhere round the clock, we all have done it. So we should just introspect ourselves and improve upon it. So that's it. And then, still, the panic. Next point about this video is panic. Many people are still panicking around, like, rummaging through things. It's like rioting, and the riot rampage is still going on. I don't see the point why. Not because it's not like I'm sitting at home, so what do I know about it? Come on. Even I consume news, of course, not through television, but through some reliable resources. And then whenever I go out, I see people. You can see their faces, you can see their eyes, even if the face is masked. So yeah, we don't need to panic because, like, I'll tell you one simple thing. Why worry about something that isn't going to happen? Like we are, just making up those bubbles. They are not those things are actually not going to happen, but we just make the bubbles, and then the bubble pops out, and we come to know that this was nothing, so we eventually move on from that. So yeah, why worry about something that is not going to happen? And also, on the other hand, why worry about something that is going to happen anyway, no matter what you do, no matter what efforts you take, no matter how you shield yourself? Like, some inevitable things, such as death. People are even scared to talk about it because I don't know why. Because I really do not need to know it. That is the most natural thing that is going to happen. That is an inevitable thing. So why worry about it? It is going to happen anyway, no matter what you do. Like, it is going to happen with those people who hoard the resources and don't get to use any of them, and it is going to happen with those people who don't have any resources and they are being deprived of it, and that's because of that their health is deteriorating over the time. It is going to happen to everybody. So stop worrying about it. Like, in short, stop worrying about it. And there are few other points. I'll discuss them in the next part, the final part of this brief talk. Until then, stay safe, do not worry, and enjoy.